Hello dear kids, today we will study subject EVS. Alright, so here with chapter number 2, chapter 2, that one is our wonderful body. Alright, we should love our body, and here in this wonderful body we will study today names of body parts. Alright, so here we start with names of body parts. First you see your body from top to bottom. Just look at you. See you yourself. See, what are you seeing there? Yes, from top to bottom. Just see. At the top we are having our head. सबसे टॉप पे हमारे पास क्या है? हेड. H E A D, head. Then after head what comes? Just see. Eyes. Then after we have two eyes now. Yes or no? 1, 2. So after head we are having eyes. Okay. Then after eyes, that one, nose. Nose. Touch your nose. Now after nose, touch your ears. We have two ears, 1 and 2. We have two ears, 2. So E A R S, ears. 1 nose, 2 eyes, 2 ears. 1 nose, 2 eyes, 2 ears. Then after coming to our mouth, what do we do with our mouth? What do we do with our mouth? Yes, mouth. This is our mouth. We use our mouth to eat food, right? Yes or no? Huh? We use our mouth to speak, to eat food, okay? M O U T H. Spelling of mouth. M O U T H, mouth. Then after, what comes after mouth? Your chin. Spelling of chin. C H I N. C H I N, chin. Touch your chin. Touch your chin. Touch you all. Just like this. Very cute. Just like that. Mama says now, when you do something very good, so mama says very cute. When you dress up nicely, then mama says very cute. Yes, so touch your chin. This one is your chin. Alright. Then after chin, that next part of your body, that one is your neck. Touch your neck. Neck. N E C K, neck. Our neck helps to move our face. Yes or no? If you want to move your face to your right, you move like this. If you just want to move your face to your left, you move like that. If you want to move your face in front, you just keep in front. Huh? So neck helps to move our face. This is our face. And here the role of neck is what? Neck helps to move our face. Alright? Okay? Then after neck comes what? Your little hands. Show me your hand. Hands. Show me your hands. Hands. After neck comes your hands. In your body parts, hands. 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 This one is your hand. Alright. Spelling of hand. H-A-N-D. Hand. H-A-N-D. Hand. Then after comes what? Your chest. Chest. Like here. After neck is the chest. This portion of the body is called chest. Spelling of chest. C-H-E-S-T. Chest. This is your chest. Alright. Next. Your arm. This one your hands. This one your hand. And that full one. The full one is arm. Okay. The full one is arm. You can see here in this picture also arm. The full hand is known as arm. Spelling of arm. A-R-M. But we are having two. One arm right, one arm left. So we are having two arms. Right, left. So these are arms. A-R-M is arms. Alright. Then after arms, which part of body comes? That one is your fingers. Show me your fingers. Move your fingers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So how many fingers in our hands? We are having 10 fingers. How many fingers? 10 fingers. So just move your fingers. Do it. Yeah. Spelling of finger. F-I-N-G-E-R-S. Spelling of fingers. F-I-N-G-E-R-S. Fingers. Show me your fingers. Yes. You can. Do it nicely. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. With your fingers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Right? So, what the use of finger? What do we do with fingers? We use fingers to write, to put the things, to eat food. Right? Like many things we do with our fingers. Okay? Next, after fingers, which part of the body comes? See here. Stomach. Stomach hungry. This one. Stomach. Here you can see stomach. So, spelling of stomach. S-T-O-M-A-C-H. Stomach. S-T-O-M-A-C-H. Stomach. And after stomach, what's the use of stomach? Our stomach gets hungry, then we fill with food, we eat something, we drink something. So, stomach, after your arms, chest, that one is the stomach. Get hungry, then you say stomach hungry. You say that? So, how do we fill? Just fill with, make it full how? Fill with food, with drinks, right? Then coming your legs. Alright? So, how many legs we have? Legs. 2 legs. 2 hands. 2 legs. Just See your legs. Move your legs. Just do it. Legs 1 and 2. These are your legs. Alright. These full. We walk with legs. We just run with legs. What do we do with the legs? Stand. We use the legs. Alright. Now, after legs, the next body part is foot. F-O-O-T, foot. F-O-O-T, foot. Just see. One. That one is foot. Okay. We use just footwear to just keep our foot safe. We use footwear. We use slipper, shoes. Where we wear slipper and shoes. All these we wear in our foot. And these two are called feet. When they are together, when we just call these two together, that one is called feet. F-E-E-T, feet. So, these two are feet and one is foot, 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 foot. We wear footwear also to keep our foot very, very soft and just to save from heat and hard things. Alright, we wear footwear. Then after foot, which body comes? Which part of the body comes? That one are toe or toe. And how many toes we have? 10. How many toes we have? 10 toes. We are having 10 fingers and 10 toes. T-O-E-S, toes. See here. 1 toe, 2 toe, 3, 4, 5. So all 5 toes here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All 5 toes. 5 and 5, 10. 5 and 5, 10. So these are 10 toes. So how many body parts name I have written here on this board? 15. How many? 15. So first, once again we'll start just revision. Just revise it, okay? Our body parts, head. Just touch your head. Touch you all. H-E-A-D, head. Spelling of eyes. Then after head comes your eyes. We use eyes to see. E-Y-E-S. Close your eyes. Open your eyes. Close, open. Do like this activity too. Close, open. Close, open. Now stop. Now the spelling you learn. E-Y-E-S. Eyes. Nose. Touch your nose. N-O-S-E. Nose. We are having one nose. Ears. E-A-R-S. Ears. Two ears we are having. That's why it's ears. Now one mouth. M-O-U-T-H, mouth. We use mouth to speak, to eat. Then coming to a chin. Just beauty of your face. C-H-I-N, chin. Touch your chin. Beauty of your face. When you look very beautiful and very nice, your mama says beautiful. So that one is your chin. Next, after chin coming, that is your which body part? Neck. N-E-C-K, neck. We use this neck to move our face from left to right and right to left and front. Okay. Then after neck comes your hands. Hands. I've shown you the hands. Spelling of hands. H-A-N-D-S. Hands. Hands we use just to what? Just to keep the things from one place to another and for doing the actions. Now coming to next body part. After hands, chest. Touch your chest. That one is your chest. After that neck. After neck, which body is there? You can see that one is chest. Alright? Here. After neck you see which body is it? Which part of the body is it? This one is chest. Then coming to arms. Full hands. Full hands. Full hands. These are the arms. Stretch your arms. Stretch your arms. Full hands. This one, arms. Alright? Then arms, fingers, move very well. Fingers, yes, move it. Spelling of arms, A-R-M-S. Spelling of fingers, F-I-N-G-E-R-S, fingers. Then after fingers, your stomach, S-T-O-M-A-C-H, stomach. Your stomach, when you get hungry, says stomach hungry. When you are just fully satisfied with the full stomach full, you say yes. Then after stomach, which body part comes? Your legs. How many legs? 2 legs. 2 hands, 2 legs. So, what do with legs? Move from one place to another. We run, we jump. Yes, we stand. Legs, L-E-G-S, legs. Just touch your legs. 2 legs you touch. 1, 2. 1, 2. Then after, foot. F-O-O-T, foot. That one. With the help of foot also we must move from one place to another. Our foot just balance, to balance that legs, to balance the body. The foot are very useful body part. So that one we use just to keep our body balanced when we stand. So these are spelling of foot, F-O-O-T, foot. And when we use to, how many foot we have? 2, so that one called feet. Okay, in plural we can say that 2 foot, that one is called feet. But when 2 together, okay, these 2, foot, and together feet. Okay, then coming to that one, your toe. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So these are 10. So these are toes. Okay, 1 is toe and all together toes. Okay, so learn all these spellings very thoroughly and read it. Then after you will get that worksheet also to complete that work in your EVS copy. So in that EVS notebook you have to just do the work very nicely in very good handwriting. Alright. So thank you class.